Today's video, we're talking about this Corvette Z06 that I wrapped earlier in my wrapping career. This is post Avery Dennison certification. I am a professional at this time, and we are converting from a racing red to satin black Avery Dennison. So this is the process photos, and this is the finished product. So when performing this installation for our client, we did this at their home, in their garage. So what I did was show up in the morning, and I left at night, pulling 12-hour shifts every day. Just because it's a red vehicle going black, there had to be a lot more game plan, there had to be a lot more focus, and we even had to remove certain parts where deep coverage was necessary. Because when you're doing a wrap, our main goal here is to get protection on the exterior portion of the paint, to prevent from scratches and from UV damage. That's the whole reason you would want to get a wrap. As you can see, the deep recesses like this fender or this front bumper have been wrapped flawlessly. There's been no overstretching, no discoloration. Everything has been properly post-heated so that we can kill the memory in the film so that we don't have any pullback in the future, because we are wrapping vehicles for a long-term protection. We're not really doing this fast or rushed so that we can just get a car wrapped and on the road. We want to make sure that this lasts a long time and the vehicle's paint is protected. That's the reason that you get a wrap, to protect your paint. So here at Wrap Tonic, we strive for the best quality. We want you guys to be happy with your product, and I'm also proud of my work because this is my passion. So my client and myself came out of this very happy with the results. And just a heads up before you get a wrap, if you don't pay for the door jambs, they won't be wrapped like so. We're doing exterior coverage and protecting the exterior of the paint, and that's the goal. So hopefully you gained something from this video. And if you have questions regarding paint protection or vinyl wrap, feel free to drop a comment down below or even shoot me a text. I'd be happy to help you guys. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.